Hi, I'm Britt Casey Jr., driver of the number 17 Unitronic Audi RS LMS TCR car. Here's a lap of the 2019 qualifying session for the Fox Factory 120 here at Road Atlanta. Coming down the hill into turn 12, getting ready for the flyer lap. Pulling 6th gear right before the exit. Again, flat out through turn 12. Turn 1, my favorite corner of the track, all about entry speed, using the hill to really catch you. You can see slight lift at the apex, just slightly too much entry speed. Turn 3, completely blind, using all the apex curve and using all the exit curve here in qualifying, just trying to maximize the track here. Flat down through the S's. Gonna pull 6th gear here for just a split second, trying to maximize straight line speed. Up through turn 5, totally dependent on the front grip here with the uphill, using all the exit curve. Get a little bit of a breather going into 6, focusing on rolling the entry speed really. Late throttle, using the banking, overslowing the car a little bit for 7 here because you're really focused on the long back straight. We're going to be over 140 miles an hour here, staying driver's left just to get the shortest way through the track and try to get over the hill as fast as possible. Again, a little bit time to relax, collect your thoughts, because with qualifying you got to go super deep into 10A. Smashing the brakes, hardest braking zone here, down to 3rd gear. Left, right complex, all the way full throttle up the hill, focusing on the exit speed again, because this is another straightaway really. Flat through turn 12, crossing the line, and just nipping a little bit of exit curve, because why not? And that's what a pole position lap looks like around Road Atlanta. Thanks.